Hello, I am Ella, and today we want to learn together when and how we use be going to. Let's get started. We use going to talk about the future plans, but the plans we already decided to do, we tend to do it. For example, what are you going to do tonight? Oh, I am going to have dinner with my brother. Or she's going to make pizza for dinner tonight. He's going to take a walk this afternoon. Or they are going to watch a movie this evening. Now this is your turn. Write into the chat box one sentence with be going to. What are you going to do this evening, this morning, or this afternoon? Write it. See you later.